What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Barry Jane, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. Now I'm trying to give y'all a video every week. Like, why not give y'all a video every week? Because if I don't give y'all a video every week, who is gonna give y'all a video every week? You know what I'm saying? So I'm basically coming to y'all with a nice everyday makeup glam, because I know y'all are like tired of the colorful looks. I mean, y'all not tired because y'all actually love when I do those type of looks, but I was like, yo, let me just give y'all a look because it's nice outside. New York is getting hot out here. Summertime is right around the corner, so I know y'all want like a simple beat. So I did just that. If you guys are interested in seeing the way I achieved this look, please stay tuned, but do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace. Hey, alright y'all, so I'm back. So you guys been really feeling for me to do like a natural glam, like my everyday makeup go-to. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I do. So basically I already went started ahead because it is hot outside, so I kind of want to go outside and like go shopping, whatever. So I'm trying to just do a regular natural beat. So I was gonna use my Nars foundation, but I think I'm gonna stick to sheerglow, which is like a dewy kind of thing, because summertime is here and y'all know me in the summertime I like to go with the dewy look. So I went ahead. All right, so I did my eyebrows. All right, before I forget, let me tell y'all, I did my eyebrows, and I also concealed my eyes with the concealer that I use for my eyebrows. Now with that concealer, you do not need a lot of concealer because we are not doing any eyeshadow. We're just gonna apply that to the top to just make it be, you know, bright and not as dark, because I have dark eyelids, so I have to conceal my eyes just a little bit. Now all I'm gonna do is just take my mercier translucent powder and just set that in. You can use enough just to set that so it won't crease throughout the day, because we are not putting our eyeshadow here. So we're just gonna set that in so it won't crease and have you looking crazy outside, because we are not having that, you know what I'm saying? And I like to push it up towards my higher brown area as well, just to make sure that that as well is not going to be moving throughout the day. Just want it to be sit in place. All right, so once I do that, I would actually put my eyelashes on just so it could guide me through everything, but I'm going to put my lashes on last just for the sake of this video. I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to conceal some of my dark marks. You could use primer. I'm actually going to use primer. I don't usually use primer, but I'm going to use primer because it is kind of hot outside, and I want my foundation to actually stick to my face. I don't want it to like look all like everywhere. As y'all can see, I literally have no more of this milk. But yeah, if it's hot where you at, I would suggest you put primer on. Primer is not literally necessary to me, like, because I really think that you don't need primer, because when I first started off doing makeup, I never wore primer, like, at all. Like, if you go to my old YouTube videos, you could tell like I'm not chatting, because like I really do not use primer. Then I started to use primer slowly for surely, because I saw that, you know, a lot of people had bought primer because of prior makeup videos they were watching. So it's like, okay. Now that I got the priming out the way, I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Maple. And I am going to just take just a little bit, like, and just cover my dark marks. Not going to put a lot. Like the areas that I have dark marks at, I'm just gonna like conceal that a little bit, like around my nose, and sometimes I have it underneath my eyes. I know I look crazy now, y'all, but watch. I'm like, oh shoot. And we're not gonna use a lot of makeup either, so when you do this step, it works in favor for you. And I just want to put it out there, y'all, this what I'm doing for my everyday makeup, you could really just take certain steps and do it. You don't have to take all steps, because what I'm doing might not work for you. I just like to do this because it works for me. I don't have to put too much makeup on, and I still get that brightness that I want in my face, like, you know, that flawless look. I'm only fixing this contour right here because that's like the darkest part of my mouth. Like I really have like a natural contour on my face. So as y'all can see, I'm looking real crazy, I'm looking a little bit patchy, but this is where everything comes together. I forgot to wash my beauty blender, so I'm gonna go wash my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna take my beauty blender to just blend everything out. I washed my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna just kind of blend everything into the skin, even underneath my eyes where I put that setting powder. It's okay. Okay, so now that we blend that out, you see it's not gonna be a lot of makeup, y'all. We're working with a small portion. But basically this is how we looking. You see, like if we want to, we could stop here. Nah, let me stop. Okay, now that we got that done, we're gonna go in with our foundation, and I'm going to be using Nars foundation in the color New Caledonia. You see? And let me tell y'all something. A lot of people don't tell y'all, or a lot of people don't do this step, but I do the steps. Even though I set my eye where I put my concealer at on my eyes, I still put my foundation there because the whole thing is for a natural everyday beat. You know what I'm trying to say? So I put that there so everything could be evened out, you know, underneath my eyes. Even though I did brighten her up, I still want her to be like evenly pressed into the skin. You see, even though we brighten up the eye, it's not, you know, so dark, and it's just evenly layered with everything else, like your foundation. Now if you want to, you could go ahead and add some more foundation. I just like to go with the light, you know, and I still like to go underneath my eyes with the concealer. I just don't apply as much, so I just basically bring it a little bit here, and I still kind of go here. As I go, I am going to be setting my face with my little mercier because I don't want it to crease up at all. So I'm going to just set underneath the eyes as I go, because even though I still like my eyes to be bright, yeah, just remember to always set underneath your eyes, whether you guys take my method into consideration or not. Just even though you're doing a natural glam, and you like I don't feel like I need to set it because I want it to look raw, guys, set that concealer. Yeah, you really need to set your concealer, because I'll be seeing some girls coming outside not setting a concealer, and they be looking like tore up to the float up. And I'm sorry, but I gotta be honest, like I'd be like, damn, I should probably give her a few makeup tips, because I know I wouldn't want nobody to have me walk around looking this crazy, you know what I mean? So us as females, we gotta come together too and be like, yo sis, if that's, you know, let us know. Like for instance, if this is not working for you and you feel like I should do something else, like sis, I feel like you did not blend that good. Could definitely blend that better. Okay y'all, so I'm finished blending everything out and basically setting where I place my highlight. Now I usually would bronze my face when I'm doing like a natural beat, but I somehow am not feeling my bronzer anymore, so I'm just gonna go and do a light contour. So the way I'm gonna do it, I'm using my Anastasia stick. As you guys know, this is my favorite. She's going down, gotta buy another one, but I'm gonna use her. I'm not gonna apply so much. and I'm just gonna use that as a bronzer to contour, like to bronze up my face a little bit. I'm not gonna make it so harsh. I'm just gonna add some more color, add some color back to my face. So just like that, you see how soft that is? And I didn't take off my setting powder just yet because I like to let it sit for a little bit. Not baking, not necessarily baking, but you know, I just like to let it sit for a little bit. And that bronzer, girl, and that contour stick, if you want to do it the way I'm doing it, if you never had a bronzer before, it's important. Especially if you're highlighting, it's super important to have a bronzer because it adds warmth back to your face. So if you applying all these light shades like me, I like to brighten up my under eye a lot. So if I'm not applying any contour to my face, it makes me look like a ghost. So that contour stick, girl, that joint add so much. It does justice on your skin. Okay guys, so I'm done applying my contour. I'm gonna just go in with my beauty blender just to kind of make sure everything is evenly blended in my face. And yeah, as y'all can see, I look amazing. Like, I love the way I look right now. It's not too much makeup going on, and we're nice and snatched. We looking smooth. Now I'm gonna go on with my Sephora Micro Smooth, which is in the color 60. She is running low, but you can't get enough of her. I'm gonna sweep away that mercier that I have on my eyelids. Blend everything in because she just kind of give your face a smooth finish and kind of blend everything together. I usually would snatch my nose, but y'all know we doing a natural beat. So my everyday glam, I won't do that, so I'm not gonna do that right now. So now we got that out the way. I usually would throw some mascara on, but my lashes is getting so short because I'm so used to using lashes. So I'm gonna apply some lashes, cause why not? Who said we can't wear lashes on a natural beat? Exactly, nobody. Okay guys, so we're finished with blending out the face with the Sephora Micro Smooth. We're looking nice and beat. But I applied some of my mascara, which is the Fenty mascara. I applied a little bit of that to my bottom lash line. Now I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, and they are. So I'm gonna apply, I'm wearing my lashes in the style Queen. I'm gonna just apply my lashes on. And like I said before, my lashes are like the top sellers on my website. So if you guys are interested in snatching up some lashes, don't forget to click the link in my description box to get you a pair, because why not, you know? Okay y'all, so this is how my lashes is looking in the style Queen. It look like I might have to flat iron my hair again, well, curl that at least. So this is like my everyday natural beat. I'm about to just put on some lip gloss. And as y'all can see, this was just 1, 2, 3. I do not see my lip liner. I always do still put lip liner on, so I'm gonna just still apply that right now. And y'all know I'm so ghetto. It's not even funny. Yes, I was definitely using my I was definitely using my makeup pencil as my lip liner today. It's okay. We're done with the face. As y'all can see, we're looking naturally beat, and that's what we wanted. I'm gonna just add a mold to my face. Should I just add one or should I add two? I'm gonna just add one because it gives it more of that natural look. But yeah, look at me. We looking super cute. We're looking super cute, girl. You did your thing. You did your thing. Okay, so this is my everyday natural glam. Like, this is how I do my makeup to go outside, and if I don't want to do too much, this is me right here. Like, I still applied every step and I didn't apply too much makeup. So if you don't want to go outside with your face caked up and you just want a nice summery soft glam, girl, I'm here for y'all. So if you guys watched the video this far, you might as well subscribe to the channel and leave a nice comment down below on your thoughts of my everyday glam. Now, knowing me, like, I would definitely just add it, like if I'm wearing a yellow top, or if I'm wearing some sneakers or some slippers that have yellow, pink, or whatever color inside of it, I would add that color here. But I'm starting to feel a little bit more comfortable with the just naturally beat face, because I mean, we can do it. No, for real, like, I'm really feeling myself. It looks so cute. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, peace.